If you see, this is the circuit for NOR gate. This is the circuit for NOR gate. 2 PMOS, one below the other. 2 NMOS, one beside the other. PMOS is one below the other. NMOS is one beside the other. Okay. Bottom NMOS, you connect the drain points, you connect the source points. And from the center, you connect the 2 PMOS, one below the other. So we will complete up to that and come back again. Okay. This is the LT Spice software. LT Spice software. We want NMOS one beside the other. NMOS is one beside the other. Escape button. Go to components. Take PMOS. Take PMOS. Okay. At the center, you connect one above the other. At the center, you connect one above the other. Okay, now they are visible, I think. Now they are visible. Go to zoom in if you want. Okay. Now, take wire, connect the two NMOS drain points, connect the two NMOS source points. Okay. And here, the PMOS should be one below the other at the center. Up to here, it is completed. Connection is completed. Okay. We are doing NOR gate. So 2 NMOS, 2 PMOS, one below the other. If you see, first PMOS control variable is A at the gate point. Second PMOS control variable is B. Okay, here it is A, here it is B, and on the top we want VDD. On the top we want VDD. What I will do, I will go with components, voltage source. Okay, I will take one for VDD, one for variable A, another for variable B. Okay, VDD, variable A, variable B. Take the ground points, you connect to them. Wherever voltage source is there, we need a ground. And a common ground is also required, we will check later. Now connect them. This is VDD at the top point, ground for VDD. And the first PMOS control variable is A. Second PMOS control variable is B. And connect A to the ground. Connect B voltage source also to the ground. Okay. So now I am going back to the circuit. First PMOS, I have connected A variable. Second PMOS, I connected to B variable. Okay. Now the same A variable should be connected to first NMOS. A is for first NMOS, B is for second NMOS, and at the gate terminal. Okay, A is for first NMOS, B is for second NMOS, and bottom where you have joined, there you have to put a ground point. There you have to put a ground point. So I will take one ground here. I will put one ground here. Now I will take wire, connect the ground. Okay. Now first NMOS, click at the starting point. Straight away come and join to the first variable. Okay. Now coming to the second NMOS, click here, come little left. Okay. And appropriately you have to connect them. Change direction. Change direction wherever required. I have changed direction many times, but I have connected correctly. This is B variable connected to the second NMOS transistor. A variable is connected to first PMOS as well as first NMOS. B variable is connected to second PMOS and second NMOS. Okay. And the output point you have to take at this center. Okay. PMOS are above and NMOS are below. At the center you have to take the output. At the center you are supposed to take one output. So this wire you can just extend This is the output. This is the output point. Okay. Now this is VDD. So right click, give 5 volts, logic 1, VDD. This is variable A. You know how to give variable A. Pulse. Then this is 0 volts, 5 volts. Okay. And delay is 0.5 nano. Rise time 1 nano. Fall time 1 nano. And 1 nano. And then on time for A is 8 milli. And the time period is 16 milli for A variable. Okay. Now coming to B variable. This is B variable, B signal, advanced. Go to pulse. Then again 0 volts, 5 volts. Then delay is 0.5 nano. Rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano. And on time is 4 milli. Time period is 8 milli. Okay. So already we are doing this from past transistors. Same method we are following for A variables. Same method we are following for B variable. Okay. Now it is okay. A and B are given. Now I will go with execute, simulate. Simulation time we have to fix. So 16 or above 16 we have to give. Okay. And fix it somewhere here. Why we have to give 16? Maximum we have taken time period 16. So minimum we have to give 16 or above any value, it will work. Okay. Otherwise you cannot see the visualization. All the 4 combinations will not be visible. It will not give any error. But that 0001, that 4 combinations will not come in the display if you give less than 16. Okay. Now I am going with run button. Now window, tile them vertical. And right click, add plot plane, right click, add plot plane. Click in the first one, go to run button, go to A variable. This is A variable because first one is VDD, this is A variable. Click in the second one, run button, then go to B variable. Okay, see where that red color should come. Anywhere where that B, you are able to catch it. Okay, you should point. Click in the third one, run button, click on the output point. Okay. Now what we are doing, NOR gate operation. NOR gate operation. For 0, 0, we are getting 1. Okay. For 0, 0, we are getting 1. For all other combinations, it is 0. Wherever there is some fluctuation, I told you, because at the jumping points of amplitude for input, there will be some disturbance in the circuit that will give some fluctuations. Other than that, if you see, exactly 0, exactly 5 will not come because all these are NMOS, PMOS transistors, okay, which have internal logic 0, strong 1, weak 0, weak 1 concept. Okay, overall we are getting for 0, 0, output is 1. This is NOR gate operation. NOR gate operation for 0, 0, we are getting output 1. For all other combinations, we are getting output 0. Okay, this is NOR gate operation. Now I will go for OR. I have to put one inverter at the output. So this NOR will be converted to OR. You see, this is the NOR gate we have done. When you convert that to OR, one inverter is required at the output. One inverter is required at the output. One PMOS, one NMOS, join their source and drain, join their gate points, and top one VDD, bottom one ground. And at the gate points, the previous output should be connected here. At this side, you have to take the output, final output of OR gate, final output of OR gate. Now I will try to do that connection. Go to components, one PMOS is needed. You keep PMOS on the top. Escape, components, one NMOS transistor is required. Okay, connect the NMOS transistor, escape button. Then go to wiring, join the source and drain, join the gate points, and here you have to join the previous output. Okay, and then the top point you have to join with VDD, and the bottom point you have to join with ground. Bottom point you have to join with ground, and we have to take output here, so give some extended line here. Okay, I think now it is visible. Now the entire circuit is visible. I have connected one inverter. I have connected one inverter. So this is PMOS, this is NMOS. Their gate points are connected, source and drain are connected, and the previous output is connected to the inverter, and the top point connected to VDD, bottom point connected to ground, and at the output side, one connection is taken out, one wiring. Here we will take the final output. Okay, already simulation time, everything is fixed, no new input voltages we are going to give. Just a previous output we are connecting to a inverter circuit. Now OR gate output should come. Okay, NOR is converted to inverter, NOR is connected to inverter. So overall circuit becomes OR gate. Overall circuit becomes OR gate. Run button. Window, tile them vertical. Right click, add plot plane. Right click, add plot plane. Click in the first window. Run button. Go to A variable. Okay. Click in the second window. Run button. Go to B variable. Where you are able to catch the B correctly, you go and mark it. Output button. Run and go to this point. OR gate means for 0 0 it should come 0. Okay, for 0 0 it should come 0. For all other combinations it should come 1. For all other combinations it should come 1. This is OR gate operation. OR gate operation, for 0 0 it should come 0. For all other combinations it should come 1. I told you the fluctuations, glitches, what is happening in NMOS and PMOS transistors. And I also told you strong 1, strong 0, weak 1, weak 0. That is the concept. 4.398 is taken as logic 1 here, and 4.380 is taken as logic 0 here. This is that strong 1, weak 1, strong 0, weak 0 concept. Okay. So by this, NOR gate as well as OR gate execution is completed. NOR gate and OR gate execution using LT Spice software is completed.